What if the loan officer lied to me about the interest rate or talked me into a loan that I can't afford? Well, during the last real estate boom, we saw a huge increase in the amount of people starting careers as loan officers. Applications and approvals hit record highs. It seemed as though everyone knew someone who had become a loan officer, and the reason was obvious. The money can be very good. The low end of fees for one loan can range from $2,000 to $4,000, depending on the loan and the loan amount, and that's just the low end. It's not uncommon for a loan officer to make several $1,000s on each loan. So with these kinds of earnings available and the huge demand from people wanting to buy homes, some less than honest people entered the industry looking for easy money. Now, loan companies work directly for banks and indirectly for banks through mortgage brokers. Either way, all loan applications are meticulously scrutinized by the bank before approval. The bank knows the type of loan which is being offered by the loan officer to the home buyer because they developed it. The bank also offers loan officers incentives to promote certain types of loans. It's not uncommon for a bank to offer a low interest rate to attract the home buyer and increase the rate later after the loan's approved. Of course, all this is in the loan documents and it's perfectly legal, but since most people do not read all the pages of their loan documents but rely on the loan officer to explain them, there's room for dishonest loan officers to mislead their clients. So what can be done about all this? A lot. The bank has created a loan with increasing payments and motivated a loan officer to sell it. Someone needs to get the bank to adjust that loan to where it's more affordable for you. We've put together 20 answers to the most frequently asked questions from people who are interested in ways to save their homes from foreclosure. Our goal is to help you feel comfortable about this program and make a very informed and intelligent decision. And let's face it, for most of us, this is our largest financial asset. We want to do it right. All 20 questions and answers are at our website, stopforeclosurefor1700dollars.com. Go there now and learn all you can about making an informed decision about saving your home. I believe as you study these answers, you will know that we're sincere about helping you. After reading this, feel comfortable to call Vicki and talk to her about your specific situation. And there's no pressure from us. We're not here to twist anyone's arm with hard sales tactics. So relax and learn all you can about a great solution to foreclosure. Thanks for watching.